Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a simple date night makeup tutorial and I'm so excited because I'm filming in my new space, which I love so far. Here I'm first using the SMASHBOX primer spray and that just settles in and kind of reinforces that skincare prep that I did earlier. Here I'm going to use the Say Super Glowy gel and I absolutely love this stuff. It's not like your typical body shimmer or highlighter. It's really an iridescent glow and I love this so much because you can really add it anywhere on your body. Next I'm going to be going with the ILIA Super Serum Skin Tint. This is the best skin tint I've ever used and I especially love it because it has skincare properties as well as SPF. And here you can see that the color match is great. They have so many shades out and I particularly love this formula because it adds such a great glow to the skin. And of course it's a skin tint, so it's very light coverage, but I think it gives me enough coverage to kind of even out that skin tone. Next I'm going in with the Merit Beauty 1980 Brow. This is my all-time favorite brow product. I absolutely love this formula because it's so easy to use. It's honestly the only product I use on my brows. And as you can see, it really filled in the brows really nice and evenly while keeping it looking natural and fluffy. Next I'm going to go in with the KOSAS concealer and this is a new product for me and so far I'm really loving it. It's really creamy and it really blends beautifully under the lids and just on the skin in general. And I just love this product because I could just use my fingers to blend it out and I really have no major issues with creasing as long as I'm setting it with a powder, which is what I'm doing here. I'm just using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and a tip that I like to do is I like to pat my finger onto the under of my eyelid right before I put on the powder. Next I'm going to go in with the Say Sun Melt Bronzer. This is also a new product for me and so far I'm loving it. It is so blendable and it looks so natural on the skin. It really looks like I kind of just got, you know, tan on the beach kind of thing. So here I'm just putting it into the hollows of my cheek and kind of making a C mark right below the temple, and then I'm going to be buffing it into the top of my forehead, on the sides of my nose, and kind of giving that more defined look and kind of emphasize that button nose look. Here I'm going to be using this NYX brush and I don't really know what this brush is specifically for, but I do love the texture of this brush. I think it's soft enough yet still dense that it'll blend this bronzer out seamlessly. And as you can see here, it's very easy to blend out. It takes not much effort at all, which is what I was really looking for because it's not something that I normally do in my makeup routine, but it's something that I like to reincorporate. And then next I'm going to be using the Stila All Day Waterproof Eyeliner and I'm going to be using the shade Brown, and I honestly love this way more than using black liquid eyeliner because it's way less harsh. Even though it is a liquid liner, there's something about the color brown that just makes it a little bit more subtle. So first I like to extend the line right on the outer corner of my eye and then connect that line going from the top of that line down to the center of my eyelid. And then I kind of just fill in the gaps and I make sure to taper off right in the center of my eyelid so that way it doesn't kind of look weird, especially with hooded eyes. This is how I do my eyeliner so that way the eyeliner doesn't get cut off and looks awkward, you know, when you like look up or something. Next I'm going to go in with the Merit Beauty Flush Balm in Terracotta. This is one of my favorite shades from their line. I have two other Flush Balm shades, but I think I like this one the best because it has that peachy undertone, yet it's not so strong. It's really subtle and I think it really blends in well with the skin. and it's honestly a really great shade for the summer and I think even the fall. Next, I'm going in with the Merit Beauty Highlighting Balm. This is in the shade Citrine. It's one of their newer colors, and I actually really like this color better than Kava, if I dare say, because I think it has also that orangey gold tone to it, and it's so subtle, but I think it's so beautiful on like deeper tanner skin tones, and it's not as harsh like other highlighters that are more of that light champagne color. So as you can see, I put it on the high points of my cheeks, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, as well as the inner corner of my eye, and I love how versatile this product is. I like to bring that highlight like up to the upper part of my eyelid to kind of give it that sheen. Next, I'm going to go in with some mascara. And here I'm using my trusty Maybelline Falsies waterproof mascara. I always have to use waterproof on my lashes no matter what, because if it's not waterproof, my lashes just will not hold up. So I'm actually trying to look for another mascara, something like on the more higher end side, just to compare. If you guys have any like suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Here I'm using the Merit Beauty Clean Lash Mascara just right on the tip of the lashes to kind of give it that really nice separation and length. And then to top it all off, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and then the Clinique Black Honey Lipstick. And I absolutely love this lipstick. It's obviously so well known, and I actually have 2 backups of this lipstick because it's that good, and also because it's sold out every single time. And that completes the date night makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, what else you'd like to see, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!